Here we demonstrate the mounting of a command device using the example of an emergency stop push button. The device head is inserted into the front panel and aligned with the anti-twist protection. The device head is mounted with the central nut. The desired contact elements are attached to the contact carrier by snapping them on. The pre-configured contact carrier is attached to the unit head by snapping it on. For illuminated units, the light element and the illuminant are snapped onto the center position first. The pre-configured contact carrier is attached to the device head by snapping it on.